Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called Code the Who Should Take This Course section. Check it out. Okay, so this section is going to be quick and dirty. It really is the same as the last section, and we're going to do a lot of copy and pasting. So jump in your code editor and scroll to the Who Benefits section. That's what we're calling it, Who Benefits. It's shorter, easier to understand instead of a whole ID and section called Who Should Take This Course with dashes and stuff. So let's just call it Who Dash Benefits. Makes sense. Same deal. Who Benefits. All right. Inside our section, you guessed it, div class container. You'll get the hang of it here. And we're going to start off with our section header. Boom, close that up, section header. And inside our section header, we have our image. Assets, image, icon, pad.png. Alt will be pad and pencil, or paper and pencil. I called it pad because I wanted to sound interesting. Who should take this course? Well, who should take this course? Under a section header, we need to add a div with the class of row, because here we are actually going to do something interesting. I'll show you. I'm going to save that. Let me show you the final site. If you look here, something is interesting about this specific layout. The container seems to be not as wide as it usually is. It is usually that wide. You could see there's a big difference here. So why is this content not as wide and takes up less space and has more white space on the left and right sides of the container? Well, the container actually still is this wide. However, we're using the Bootstrap columns to add some white space to the left and the right. So this section is only, I believe, 8 columns. That's correct. So this section is actually only 8 columns. And we're giving just 2 columns of offset right here to bump it over, giving it a more thin look so the copy doesn't span the full width. So I'll show you how to do that. Right here inside of our row, let's add a div with the class of call-small-8 and call sm offset-2. Offset will offset that 8-column grid by 2 on the left side, giving us that layout. And now all we need to do in here is just copy and paste. And in that copy deck I provided in the course files folder under miscellaneous, you should be able to add all of this copy without spending a whole bunch of time typing. So basically the layout is just H3 and paragraph tags. So go ahead and add the content for each of those sections. Some of them actually have strong tags. Feel free to use a little bit of creative license to lay it out and kind of use some basic formatting like strong tags, emphasis, so on and so forth. Like I said, this course isn't so much about copywriting. It's more about learning Bootstrap so we can learn how to turn that into a WordPress theme so we can start making some extra money. So go ahead, copy and paste, and let's keep moving. I'm going to go ahead here and just paste it all. Boom. There's all of the content right there. I'm just going to tab it in just a touch here. There we go. We're good. Now I will save that and make sure it is all there. Check it out on our final site here, our own site. Okay, so we're almost there. The content is there. We got our text, but the graphic isn't right. So what's the deal there? Did I do a typo? Icon dash pad. Well, assets. I put assetes. That's not right. There we go. Assets. That'll do it. Now, the only other thing is the background of this section should be white. All we need to do is jump over into our CSS and under our opt-in, make sure this is in our layout section. Just style Who Benefits, the ID of Who Benefits, background white. Check it out. There it is. And that's it. That's the who should take this course or who benefits section. Awesome. So hang in tight, hang in tight, hang on tight, hang in there. Because in the next section, we're going to code the course features section. See you there, my friends. Boom!